going to teach you how to make a kite. First take one paper and then do this to it. And then fold it like this. And then do this. Then all you need to do is take something like this. And then use it to do this. And then all you need to do is cut it. But wait a second. And then after a little while you need to put it here too. So you can put the rope on, and also you can write your name on and decorate it on the back or forward. And also you need scissors to cut shape, so you need to get it here. So, and my brother is getting the scissors from me, so I just need to wait a little. But you can decorate your boat if you want, write your name, do anything to it. And then after, fly it in the wind. And most importantly, you need to ask an adult if you're too small for using scissors. So also ask a grown-up or your mom or dad to do the scissors part, so you don't get hurt. And most of all, you need to add tape all around it, but not so much. Ask your adult to help you do this project with the scissors. And remember these rules. Do not use the scissors if you're too small. Ask an adult to help you use it. And now also do one more dollop of tape like this. And do this to it. And thank you very much. And do this to it. Cut it. Put tape here. And do this. And cut. Lava rock? Is this from lava? Is this from lava? After, take this. Hello? Shush. And do this to it. Keep it up. And then put this down here. And then use the scissors to cut this part open like this. And done. Your kite is ready. Make it not fly. You can just add this big stone on top. Or a lava stone that will explode the whole kite, so no. And I gave everything Aiza needed to make a kite. My name is Idan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mini paper boat. Look, first we have to fold this paw right here. Then we fold the other paw. Wait, just the same as that one. And warning, in other videos we use scissors, so please, also adults. So this one here, we just have to fold this end, and then ta-da, your paper boat is ready now. Bye-bye.